Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use unlimited data on your 4G phone. First, ensure your mobile plan explicitly includes unlimited 4G data. Next, navigate to your phone settings and confirm that 4G or LTE is selected as your preferred network type. Finally, double-check that your SIM card is correctly inserted and fully activated. These initial steps are crucial for a seamless unlimited data experience. To truly maximize your unlimited 4G data, consider a few smart practices. Turn off background app refresh for applications you do not constantly need, saving precious data. Whenever possible, download large files or stream high-definition content using a Wi-Fi connection. Regularly check your phone's data usage statistics to pinpoint which apps consume the most data, helping you manage usage effectively. Encountering connectivity issues can be frustrating, but many are easily resolved. A simple restart of your phone often refreshes the network connection and fixes minor glitches. If problems persist, try resetting your network settings. This can resolve deeper configuration issues without affecting personal data. For persistent or complex problems, reaching out to your service provider is always the best next step. To ensure a consistently excellent experience with your unlimited 4G data, remember a few best practices. Always be aware of your carrier's fair usage policies to avoid any unexpected throttling. While tempting, try not to use your phone as a constant hotspot for many devices, as this can strain your connection. Finally, keep your phone's software updated for the best network performance and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.